Hanging Fire and Teenagers, Guided Close Reads. Both of these poems focus on communication during adolescence. As you read, think about the subject and how it is presented from two different points of view. How is the message in each poem communicated to readers? The theme of a poem is the message about life or human nature that the writer wants to convey. Readers can make inferences or logical guesses about the theme from the title as well as from statements and images in the poem. The phrase hang fire means to delay or be delayed in taking action or progressing. What does the title Hanging Fire suggest about the theme of the poem? Pause while you think. Teenagers often feel stuck in place while also feeling like there is so much to be done. Reread lines 12 through 21. Cite evidence that supports this inference about the theme. Pause while you think. Evidence supporting the theme being related to teenagers feeling stuck in place but with so much to do includes, I have to learn how to dance in time for the next party. Suppose I die before graduation. There is nothing I want to do and too much that has to be done. The speaker in a poem is the voice that talks to readers. From evidence in the poem, readers can make inferences about the speaker. Reread lines 24 through 35. What can you infer about the speaker and what evidence supports your inference? Pause while you think. We can infer that the speaker is overly dramatic and sees herself as persecuted and misunderstood. The evidence of that includes, nobody ever stops to think about my side of it. Why do I have to be the one wearing braces? I have nothing to wear tomorrow. Teenagers, Guided Close Read. One type of figurative language poets often use is a simile, which is a comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as. Reread lines 9 through 11 and identify the simile. Pause while you think. I see faces I once held, open as sunflowers in my hands. Reread lines 11 through 15. Identify another simile. Pause while you think. Long bodies that move past me, glowing, almost like pearls. What is the effect of these similes on the last stanza of the poem? Pause while you think. The images of sunflowers and glowing pearls create a joyful tone in contrast to the darker tone of the earlier stanzas. They also help convey the image of teenagers blooming or cultivating into something beautiful as they pass through those difficult years of development.